Welcome to the world of Utasis. In today's presentation, we are showcasing how the typical problems faced by oil and gas customers can be mitigated using SupplychainLytics. SupplychainLytics is a Utasis business solution enabled by Oracle Exalytics, Hadoop, and Internet of Things. All of this started when Utasis was reached out by two of the Fortune 50 oil and gas customers. Both of these customers had a fundamental problem of locating their offshore rigs. And to know if they are functional, the initial business case consisted of representing the oil and gas rig ecosystem on a holistic geospatial chart and combining rig data with other oil and gas KPIs. As we started exploring the case further, we kept on adding more and more value. Utalytics leverages Internet of Things and tracks data directly from the rigs. Our Utalytics solution serves the needs of today's enterprise and makes you future ready. SupplychainLytics is an oil and gas solution in the Utalytics suite of products. And it works by tracking machine parameters for rigs. In the near future, up to 142 parameters can be tracked for any of the rigs. Some of these parameters include dampener parameters, degasser parameters, descender parameters, and pigging parameters. Finally, data is summarized and made available in visually appealing dashboards. The overall solution is divided into 4 dashboard tiers: Overview, Focus, Assess, and Act. In the Overview tier, it provides a detailed overview of the state of supply chain for the entire rig management ecosystem. The Focus tab provides a deep dive into the key operational and strategic parameters for the entire rig management ecosystem. The Assess tab, the state of the supply chain is assessed for the top end products identified in the previous tab. In the Act tier, action is taken for resolving various operational anomalies. In today's demo, we will take two actions. First, we will order new equipment, and the second action, we will reroute equipment from one location to another. In the next 6 minutes or so, we'll show the sheer power of Internet of Things, Oracle Exalytics, and Utasis industry solution to resolve one of the biggest problems in the oil and gas industry. To quickly remind you, the baseline dataset had the largest fact table consisting of 75 million rows of data, the second largest table consisting of 20 million of rows of data. When joined through confirmed dimension, the resulting dataset is 700 plus million rows. Let us take a walkthrough of the Overview tab for the SupplychainLytics solution. At the top of the dashboard, there are various options for filtering data by time, location, and equipment. Chart number 3 provides on-hand stock and safety level by location. The same Overview tab has chart number 4, which provides the on-hand stock and safety level by time. Chart number 5 provides stock composition by equipment category. Finally, chart number 6 provides the on-hand stock by state. The most appealing chart on this tab is the geospatial chart for the entire rig management ecosystem. The two baseline KPIs, which are the foundation for this chart, are the on-hand stock and safety levels. The chart gives us the state of the entire supply chain in red, green, and amber notification. I need you to focus on the color and the size of the pies in this geospatial chart. The size is directly proportional to the numbers. Higher the number, bigger the pie, and the color on the chart explain the situation. For example, greens are the balanced situation. Greens are the situation where the safety level is appropriately covered by the on-hand stock. Yellows are the overstocking situations where the on-hand stock is way higher than the safety levels, and the reds are the understocking situation. Let me summarize what we have done so far. We saw main key supply chain parameters and the complete supply chain in a geospatial chart. Now let's go ahead with the two targeted demo scenarios for today. In the focus tab, you will notice several BCG growth share charts. Out of these charts, chart number 8 gives the BCG growth share metrics for safety level versus stock aging. The next analysis, chart number 9, provides the famous BCG growth share metrics based on two KPIs of safety levels and on-hand stock. Finally, chart number 10 provides us the overall picture of blocked inventory. It provides the situation on inventory which is not providing any returns on investment. I need you to focus on the next chart, chart number 7. This chart provides the utilization percentage for all the high value products. Based on this, several actions can be taken. For example, in this chart we identify one of such products by using the BCG growth share matrix. As you can see in the chart, the production casing is actually a very high value product with a very low utilization percentage. The demo from here on focuses on this particular product. As you must have noticed, when we navigated from the focus to the assess tab, the context remained the same. We still have the context for the same product. Now I want you to focus on the geospatial chart shown in the dashboard. The color in the chart provides an indication of the demand supply situation for this particular product, the product production casing. Reds are the danger zones, yellows are the watch zones, greens are the safe zones, and whites are the overstocked zones. If you hover over the pie, all the details in that particular rig are shown. Currently, the solution only shows stock parameters, but as the solution evolves further, other information such as financial information, rig utilization parameters, and daily drilling report parameters can also be displayed in the same geospatial chart. As you can notice in the chart, currently safety level is 32 while on-hand stock is 66, which means that this is an overstock situation. Let us summarize what we have done so far. We started with an overview, identified one of the product's production casing, and we also saw the overall scenario for this particular product line. As you will notice in the chart number 14, the solution based on pre-built business logic generates a priority for each product line. Taking an action is easy and can be done from the analysis itself, though we will take an action in the next level of analysis. The next analysis provides a forward planning scenario for next 7 days based on the stocks in transit, on-hand stock, and safety levels. The colors in the chart have a special significance. For example, the reds highlight a shortage, the greens highlight a balanced situation, and the whites highlight an overstocking situation. As a next step, we will do an inter-org inventory transfer for our favorite product, production casing. The only thing which we need to do is fill in the to location and the number of products we want to supply and click on the execute button. We are displayed with an information screen where we want to confirm the transfer, and we are also prompted when the product is actually transferred. Let me summarize what we did in today's demo. We started with an overview for the entire supply chain, found a very high value product, and also found that this product was minimum utilized. We took 2 actions, moved this product from one location to another, and placed a new product order request. Have a good day and thank you.